Hello everyone, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. As we discussed important point about a water spectrum, the next one is what emission spectrum, after that what absorption spectrum. The spectrum means white light is fall on a prism, it can give a different colors, means that is indicate what spectrum. Those colors are what Vibjar. Vibjar means what, that is 7 color. You know very well about that what rainbow. Next after that what emission spectrum. The emission means what, in this case what, there is a radiation going to what emit. Absorption means what, there is a radiation absorption takes place, okay, that is most important. In that case what, some of the colors is going to missing in absorption also as well as what emission also, that is what important I told last class only. Okay, today we are going to discuss the most important part in this topic is what, that is a hydrogen spectrum. Another name for hydrogen spectrum is what, line spectrum of hydrogen, or we called hydrogen spectrum, no problem. This is the most important point. Okay, in this case what, two scientists are most popular. One is what, J. Balmer, after that what, Rydberg. Okay, that is what, J. Rydberg, Johnson Rydberg. Okay, just here in this case I am going to explain first things, after that I will tell you which part is important. Just here in this case explanation, the initially he is going to consider one tube. Okay, this is what tube, you know very well about that. Okay, because in this case what, in photoelectric effect we have used. Okay, after that in this case what happened, he is going to connect with what, that is battery. Okay, this is connected with what, battery means what, high voltage. In this case he is going to fill what, hydrogen gas. He is going to fill what, hydrogen gas. After that he is going to supply some amount of energy, means this is indicate what, voltage. In this case what happens, when he is going to supply voltage, this hydrogen means what, this is H2 gas. The hydrogen is going to what, cleavage or breaking takes place, or what, divide takes place. There is formation of what, hydrogen atoms. There is a formation of what, hydrogen atoms. Okay. Next after that, just here in this case, this is I am going to consider what, nucleus. Okay, this is what, nucleus. The nucleus containing what, proton and neutron. After that what, the electron revolving around the nucleus. Okay, this is what basic according to Bohr model. Just here in this case hydrogen atom, if atom is there, that is containing what, electron. Obviously every atom is containing what, electron, proton and neutron. Means what, in this case hydrogen is not having a what, neutron, but isotope of hydrogen is having a what, neutron. That is a basic. Just here in this case, this hydrogen atom I am going to consider, hydrogen atom having a what, electron. In this case what happened, this is indicate what, hydrogen. In this case what happened, this is having a what, electron. The electron jump from what, lower energy. Here is electron is there, from lower energy to what, higher energy. The electron move from what, lower energy to what, higher energy. Basic in this case point is, basic funda is what, the higher energy is always unstable, the lower energy is having a what, most stable. Means what, higher energy is unstable. This is what basic. Okay, this one is indicate what, higher energy, this is indicate what, lower energy. Higher energy is what, unstable. You know about that, the electron is not present in a what, higher energy. Most time it will come back to what, it original come back to what, its original place. Okay, that is indicate what, lower energy. Okay, when it coming back, okay, here is there, just I am going to write, this is a 1 2 3 4, otherwise you have to write K L M N. Okay, that is no problem. Just here in this case, this electron move from lower energy to higher energy, no problem. Again it will come back to what, lower energy. It come back first position, or directly it come back first position directly, or it come back from what, 4th to 3 position. After that what, 3 to 1 2 position. After that what, 2 to 1 position. This is important. It will not come back directly to what, first position. With the help of the line spectrum, we are going to derive that point. Here 4th position is there, first it will come back to 3 position, 3rd position. When it come back 4th to 3rd position, it can start what, emission of radiation. It can what, start, in this case what, absorption takes place. No, here you are going to supply some amount of energy, that is called what, absorption. When electron absorbs some amount of energy, it can go from lower energy to higher energy. When it will come back from higher energy to lower energy, start what? Emission of radiation. Start what? Emission of radiation. In this case, just I am going to put one follow up, what is that? Photographic plate. Photographic plate with help of what? Spectroscopy. These radiation pass with what? This spectroscopy. In this case, I am going to get a what? Lines. In this case, I am going to get a what? Lines. This is what? First line. First line means what? The electron come reverse from what? Fourth to third. That time I am going to get a one line. Okay, that is most important. Again, it can come from what? Third to two position. In that case, it can emit what? Radiation. These radiations I am going to pass what? A photographic plate means what? That is spectroscopy material. Again, I am going to get a what? Another line. Next, it can go move from what? Third to 2. I am going to get a what? Another line. Again, it can move from what? Second to first. I am going to get a what? Fourth line. Okay, such kind of lines are going to form. That is indicate what? Line spectrum of hydrogen. He is going to consider what? Hydrogen. This is what? Important point. This is totally, this process takes place. After that, I am going to draw the lines. Okay, that is I will tell you later. Don't worry about that one. But this is the what? Basic. He is going to use this hydrogen gas. After that, he is going to supply some amount of energy. Next, in this case, how we are going to get a lines? Means in this case, what? The emission of radiations, those emission of radiation is going to pass with what? What is that? Photographic plate means what? That is connected with what? Spectrometer. After that, I am going to get a what? Means in this case, what? Lines. Okay, this is a fact. Just here in this case, so first initially, this one is discovered by what? J.J. Balmer. Just here in this case, the important fact. Okay, here is what? Nucleus is there. Next, after that, in this case, this is what? First position. Next one is second. Next, this is what? Third. Next, this is the fourth, like this. So on. It is go up to what? Infinity. Just here in this case, this is the first is there. This second, 3, 4. In this case, what happened? The electron move from what? Lower energy to higher energy. No problem. But initially, in this case, what happened? This electron directly come towards the what? Second position. Directly come towards a what? Second position. This experiment is discovered by what? J.J. Balmer. How he come to know this one means what? He is going to do experiment with the help of what? Some material. This electron come from what? Higher energy to what? At the second position directly. This is what? Visible. This is what? Visible through what? Naked eyes. This is what? Visible through what? Naked eyes. But remaining are there? No, remaining these are what? Not visible. Okay, through what? Naked eyes. Okay, in this case, he is going to get a what? Spectra like this. Okay, it is a what? Visible. That's why first he derived the formula. Just see here, J.J. Balmer in 1885 discovered the relation connecting the with what? Connecting the wavelength of line. Just here in this case, you know very well about that. Every electromagnetic radiation, in this case, what this will come from fourth to second position. It can what? Emit radiation. This radiation is having a what? Some wavelength. This is having a what? Some frequency. Next, this is having a what? Some wave number. Obviously, this is the most important point. No, every electromagnetic radiation is having a what? Some wavelength and some frequency. Next one is what? Some wave number. Okay, that's why he is going to connect with what? This point. Balmer is going to connect with what? These 3 points. In that, he is going to choose the one is what? Wavelength he is going to choose. After that, he is going to choose what? Wave number. Frequency is also possible. Okay, no problem. J.J. Balmer in 1885 discovered the relation connecting the wavelength of line. Means indirectly what? Wave number only. What is wave number? The reciprocal of wavelength is called wave number. No, in that case, we are going to get a what? Unit length. Okay, that is most important. Okay, is it clear? This concept is clear. Okay, next see here. In this case, this nu bar is there. The nu bar is indicate what? Wave number. What is the nu bar? You know very well about that. The definition of nu bar. Okay, nu bar equal to what? That is reciprocal of wavelength. Nu bar equal to that is 1 by lambda. Nu bar equal to what? 1 by lambda. Next, after that, in this case, what happens? This is a R. R is a Rydberg constant. I will tell you later. That is value is there. After discovered the Rydberg one formula. Okay, I will tell you. After that, he is going to write 1 by 2 square. Why is going to write 1 by 2 square? Because the electron jump from higher energy to at the second position. That's why he is going to write what 1 by 2 square, after that what n square. This n square is greater than 2, means what in this case n equal to what 3, 4, 5, 6 so on. Okay, no problem. Means in this case what this n is greater than 2. Okay, that is the value start from what, that is called integers. Okay, start from what 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is what important line spectrum of hydrogen in that what Balmer. Okay, next I am going to explain the what Rydberg. Okay, Rydberg. With the help of this one, first one means in this case totally what the first one is what Balmer, Lyman is there. Okay, his name, scientist name. After that next one is what Balmer. After that the next one is what Paschen. The next one is what Brackett. The next one is what Fund. Okay, in this case totally 5 scientists are there. Okay, this is what first formula, means what this is called second formula. After that Lyman is going to discover, the Lyman is indicate what, that is called first one, means when in this case what the electron move from higher energy to lower energy, means what that is called what first position, that is indicate what a Lyman. What is the formula of Lyman? Very simple, nu bar equal to 1 by lambda is equal to R, next by what 1 by 1 square minus what 1 by n square, means what n equal to what 2, 3 so on, greater than 1. This is called what Lyman. This formula is related to what Lyman formula. Okay, Lyman discovered this one. Next after that what Balmer is the, here is first line is what Lyman. Next after that what Balmer series, this is called what he is going to write, this is called ultraviolet. This one is indicate what UV light. This is called visible. I told no, it is visible through what naked eyes. It is visible through what naked eyes. That's why in this case what this one is what first one. After that this one is what second one, that is called what UV. Next after that next one is what nu bar equal to 1 by lambda. In this case what R. In this case he is going to get 1 by 3 square. Here 2 square Balmer is there. Next after that what in this case n square. In this case n equal to what greater than 3, that may be what 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 so on. This is called what IR radiation. This is what IR. Okay, this is what next formula. Next after that in this case nu bar equal to 1 by lambda R, the next by 1 by 4 square minus 1 by n square. This is also what IR. In this case what this IR, in this case what first one is what UV visible IR. IR means what, this is called what near IR. In this case what near IR. This is called what middle IR. Middle IR means what, all these are what spectroscopic words. IR means what, that is infrared spectroscopy. Infrared spectroscopy means all of you know very well about that. Nowadays COVID situation is there. Okay, the thermometer, they are going to check your temperature, no, they are going to put here, otherwise better they have to put here only. What kind of spectroscopy that is? That is what IR spectroscopy only. In that case what IR radiation is going to fall on our skin, that can detect our body temperature. Okay, that is called what IR. Okay. After that you know very well about that this is the third one is, this is called first, second, 3, this fourth, next one is what the last one. Here I am going to write here only, just see here. Next after that in this case what nu bar equal to 1 by lambda is there. Next after that R, next 1 by 4 square is there. No, this is 1 by 5 square. Next one is what n square. This is indicate what Fund. What is the name of this one? Here is there. No, this is called what Brackett. Next in this case what, this is a Phi Fund. This is what P Fund. Phi is a silent. Okay, that is indicate what a Phi Fund. Okay, most important. Up to this what totally what 5 scientists. The first one is Lyman, Balmer. Next one is what Paschen, Brackett. Next one is what Fund. That is indicate what a Phi Fund. In this case what happen? Every scientist is going to give a different formula. That's why in this case what the last one conclusion point is there. That conclusion point is what Rydberg. After that what Rydberg will come. Rydberg he gave one formula, that is what most important formula. Just I am going to remove this one. This is full basic. Okay, just here in this case according to Rydberg formula, Rydberg constant we can say, otherwise Rydberg formula. In this case what happened? Rydberg formula, according to Rydberg formula same only, nu bar equal to 1 by lambda In this case what happen, R, what is that R value means, just see here in this case he is going to take what Rydberg constant for what hydrogen like this 9677, this is called per centimeter one value. Next after that what another value is there, that is called 1.09677 into 10 to the power of 7 centimeter. Okay, one is what, not centimeter, meter, per meter. Okay, one is CGS system is there, one is what SI system is there. You have to follow any one of these two, no problem. Here is there what happened, a nu bar equal to what, this is nu bar equal to 1 by lambda. Next after that this is a R, I am going to write R value only, that is what 109,677. Next after that he is going to write 1 by N1 square minus what 1 by N2 square. This is the formula for what Rydberg constant. This is the formula for what Rydberg constant. This is final formula. If they are going to ask you Balmer, you have to use this one. Balmer means what, that is the second position, means what the electron come from what higher level to directly second position. That coming means we can see through what naked eyes. Okay, that is why the Balmer first discovered that one. Okay, this is what Rydberg formula. Bear in mind important, here is R is there, here is R is there, this is Rydberg constant. Okay, otherwise you have to write what RH, because of our aim is what we are going to, what we have used in what gas, that is hydrogen gas is there. That is why in this case what happened, that is RH is indicate what the Rydberg constant for what hydrogen. Rydberg constant for what hydrogen. Up to this is what important. Next after that in examination they are going to ask you line spectrum of the hydrogen. In that case you have to write this formula compulsory. Next after that you have to write this formula compulsory, along with you have to write what is that, what is the meaning of nu var. Nu var means what, wave number. This is indicate what wavelength. Where you have to write where means what, you have to express the terms, otherwise you have to express the formula. In this case just here N1 is there, no, in this case N1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 so on. Next what about N2, here 1 is there, in this case what 2, 3, 4, 5 so on. Otherwise in NCERT they are given N2, they are given directly. N2 means what, N1 plus 1 they are given, after that what N1 plus 2 they are given. This and this both are same only, there is no difference. If you want you can check N1, what is the value of N1, here 1 is there, you have to fill 1, I am going to fill 1. Here is 1, 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. In this case also same, N1 equal to, if you are going to fill 2, 2 plus 2 equal to going to get 4, no problem. If you want a 3, you have to fill 2, 2 plus 1 is what, 3. Okay, both are same, this is also same, this is also same, N1 equal to 1, 2, 3 so on, N2 equal to, means N2 is greater than N1, that is it. Okay, if you want you can write N1 is less, N2 is greater, always. Okay, no problem. This is what Rydberg formula, this is what Balmer formula. Don't worry about remaining these three. Okay, remaining these three. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, total 5 formula are there. Don't worry about these 4 formula. You have to just remember this one. After that, you have to remember this one. Next, I am going to draw the line spectrum. Okay, is it clear how we are going to get a spectrum? Spectrum means in that case I explained the nucleus is that the electron move from lower energy to higher energy, it coming back from higher energy to lower energy, that time that electron is going to start emission of electron, emission of what, electromagnetic radiation. That electromagnetic radiation having a what, wavelength, frequency, and next one is what, wave number. Those radiation they are going to pass with what, a photographic plate that is connected with what, spectrometer. Finally they are going to get lines. Okay, that line I am going to explain here. Okay, just I am going to remove. Is it clear? If you want you can take a screenshot, no problem. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, just see here. Heading, this heading is there already. Transition of electron in the hydrogen spectrum. This is a what, heading, transition. Okay, just say transition means what, the most important point is what, that is transition means what, the higher energy to lower energy, that is indicate what, transition. I am going to draw here only, just here. This is first, I am going to start here only. Okay. this is the first line. Okay, next after that, in this case, what the first line means, what this is Lyman, next one is what Balmer. Space is more in this case, because the value of this one 13.6 electron volt is there, but this is a what, minus 3.2 electron volt is there, minus 3.2, 13.6 electron volt, next after that what, minus 3.2 electron volt is there. Okay. Next after that, this first one, in this case I am going to write this is a 1, this is a 2, next in this case what, this is 3, next this is 4, 5, this is 6, next one is what, 7, after that next here is there, this is called what, infinity, this is indicate what, infinity. Infinity means what, there is no end. Okay. Just here in this case, this is what just for our, this is minus is there. Okay. This is just for our understanding. Just here the electron coming from from what, infinity to what, first I am going to, in this case what, first I am going to explain what, Balmer. Okay. Just here, if you want you can write Lyman only, no problem. Okay. The electron coming from what, this at infinity means what, higher. I can say what, higher to what, lower, first, higher to what, lower, this first one. In this case, the electron coming from infinity means what, the higher energy to lower energy, I am going to get a what, here is I am going to get a what, line, that is what indicates spectrum line, I am going to get first line. Next in this case what happened, 7, here 7 is there, come like this, in this case. Next after that, in this case what, 6, next in this case what, second, this is I am going to get a what, second line, next after that what, this one, here is there, here is there, next what, here is there. If you want you can less one column also, no problem. I take 7, if you want you can take 6 also, no problem. Okay. This is what, first one. The first one is, this is indicate what, Lyman. Lyman is in the UV, this is what, UV visible, ultraviolet radiation. Okay. Next this is what, first one, Lyman is close. Okay. Next this is first, means what, the higher energy to first energy, Lyman. Next after that, in this case I am going to consider this is a higher energy to at the second position, 100% what, Balmer initially, through you can see through what, naked eyes. Okay. This first I am going to get a what, like this only. Okay. No problem, spectrum. Next after that, this is what, second is there, next one is third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth, next this is what, sixth. What is the name of this one? The name of this one is what, Balmer. Okay. This is indicate what, Balmer. Okay. Just here in this case one more point is there, I am going to explain here only. If first line is there, no, means this is called what, first, means this is the first, in this case what, the last, because of this is near to what, nucleus, this is indicate what, H alpha line. Just here in this case first line is indicate what, H alpha, second one is what, H beta, third one is what, H beta, after that what, H gamma, fourth one is what, H delta, one line extra is there, don't worry, the last after delta, the after delta line is there, that is called what, what we are going to call, that is a line spectrum, that is point is indicate what, line spectrum. Okay. The last line is there, no, this is line spectrum. In this case most important, the line spectrum is, this is having a what, wavelength is more, that is having a what, wavelength is more, that is most important limiting line, we can say what, limiting line only. Okay. Line spectrum, in that what I am going to explain, this is called what, limiting line only, they are given in what, NCERT, limiting line. Okay. You have to write limiting line. Okay. That is indicate what, limiting line. First line is there, very smaller line, that this is limiting line is having a what, higher wavelength but lower energy. This wavelength is high, wavelength is high. If wavelength is high, energy is what, low, these two are inversely proportional to each other. How we are going to say these two are inversely proportional to each other? Here formula is there, no, E equal to what, H into nu, E equal to H C by what, lambda. Just here in this case these two are what, inversely proportional to each other. If lambda is more, energy is less. That is why in this case what happen, limiting line wavelength is more, energy is less. That is why higher means what, the electron present in higher energy means that gate we can say what, higher energy means that is indicate what, lower wavelength. You can understand both the way, no problem. If electron present in a higher energy means lower wavelength, that is it. Okay, that is indicate what, H alpha near to what, nucleus. Okay, what we are going to call, this is called limiting line, this is Balmer. Next after that in this case, the next one, third position, next here is there, next the next one like this. This is what we are going to call Lyman Balmer. Next this is called Paschen is there. Okay, you have to H alpha, H beta, H gamma, H delta, you have to apply in all the cases. Okay, I explained here only. If you want, you can write Lyman, Paschen, bracket, fund also, no problem. Next after that what, fourth. Okay, this is called what, bracket, double T. Okay, bracket, Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket. Next one is what, fund, we can say phi fund. Okay, P fund. Okay, is it clear? The first means you just have to remember this point, Lyman is 1, Balmer 2, Paschen 3, bracket 4, phi fund is what, 5. This is what most important. In few board they are going to ask you explain line spectrum of hydrogen, otherwise directly they are going to ask you explain hydrogen spectrum. In that case you have to write this Balmer formula, after that you have to write expression, next after that you have to write Rydberg constant formula, next after that you have to draw this diagram, compulsory you have to mention the Lyman, Balmer. After that just here in this case one more point is that in this case distance is more between what, this first line and second line. Just here minus 13.6 is there. In this case you are going to get a what, 10. No? In this case you are going to get a what, 10 electron volt difference is there. 10 electron volt is a much difference. That is why in this case what, the distance is more. In this case distance is less. I think this is a 1.58 something is there. Okay, after that in this case what, compared to this is the less. That is why in this case the line is going to what, smaller. But in this case what, the line difference between what, the first and second one is what, larger, because of the electron volt is also much different. That is why in this case you have to draw like this. This is indicate what, transition of electron in the hydrogen spectrum. This is we are going to call what, limiting line, Lyman, Balmer, Paschen. Is it clear? Everything is clear. The most important. Okay, I told you completely basic idea. Make it perfect. Next I am going to solve the problem on this one. If you want you can take a screenshot. Okay. Okay friends, I will explain problem next video. Okay. Already it is 27 to 28 minutes. Okay. I will explain the formula next video. Thank you. Subscribe and promote the channel. Okay.